Hello everyone! Welcome again. This is JC Penido. I am a licensed financial advisor, a book author, and a lifelong learner. So, this is my fourth episode right now, and I'd like to say thank you for those people who watched my third video last time. It was all about why people are afraid of failure. So today I am going to talk about dreams, meaning pangarap in Filipino or Tagalog. So tanong ko lang, ano ang pangarap mo sa buhay? For sure, marami tayong mga pangarap. Lahat naman tayo, di ba, may mga dreams at aspirations sa buhay. Sa akin, ang pangarap talaga sa buhay is to be able to serve the Lord and the people. Of course, in a practical sense, my dream is to be financially wealthy para makatulong ako sa aking mga kababayan, sa aking pamilya, lalo na sa aking sarili. That is one of my biggest dreams. Also, pangarap ko din ang magpare dati. When I was young, I already entered the seminary after high school, so it was a dream na for whatever purposes, for whatever reasons, after several years and like 12 years or more, hindi natupad yun. And for whatever reason, only God knows. But even if I am already outside, I still dream to serve the Lord and His people. So, madami din akong, again, pangarap na kung bata pa ako until now. But what is important is hindi natin sinusukuan yung mga pangarap natin, di ba? So ngayon, at present, I am studying law because hidden dream ko din ang maging abogado. For whatever reason, I was able to pass an entrance exam at pamantasan lungsod ng Maynila. So currently, I am a first year law student, first semester. And I just wanna say to all of you that kahit anong edad natin, kahit anumang panahon, huwag tayong sumuko sa ating mga pangarap. At lagi nating iisipin na time will come. God will give us the best fulfillment of our dreams and aspirations. So huwag tayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Tuloy lang ang laban, sabi nga nila, di ba? At whatever happens, step by step, we will be able to fulfill our dreams and aspirations. So, to all of you guys who are dreaming to become successful, who are dreaming to be the best versions of themselves or of themselves, huwag tayong sumuko. Okay? Laban lang. At lagi nating iisipin na ang lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa mundo ay may meaning, may kahulugan. Kung hindi man natin ma-realize sa ngayon, time will come that we will be able to realize and everything will unfold in our presence. So, yun, let's always remember to trust God and ourselves. So that's it for now, and I hope if you like this episode, Please like, comment, share, and we will see you next time. Again, this is JC Penido, and thank you very much. God bless us all.